Discover the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 reviews available today to elevate your workflow, organize creative ideas seamlessly, and boost daily productivity. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 reviews. When professional creators, demanding power users, and competitive gamers refuse to compromise on performance, a high-end gaming laptop like this one is designed to answer that exact demand. It combines desktop-class processing power, advanced graphics, an exceptional display, sophisticated thermal management, and extensive customization into a portable workstation that can handle virtually any modern workload. Rather than focusing solely on gaming, this machine is built for users who need serious performance for content creation, 3D rendering, professional applications, engineering workloads, multitasking, and high refresh rate gaming. It runs on Windows 11 Pro and brings together some of the most capable hardware available in a premium mobile platform. The system's 32 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz memory provides another major advantage. Modern professional applications can consume substantial amounts of RAM, especially when users are simultaneously working with large video files, multiple browser tabs, editing software, communication applications, and other productivity tools. With 32 GB available, users have enough memory for demanding multitasking without constantly worrying about memory limitations. One of the standout features is undoubtedly the ROG Nebula HDR display. This is not an ordinary laptop screen designed simply to provide a high refresh rate. Instead, it is a premium mini LED panel engineered to deliver exceptional contrast, brightness, color accuracy, and motion performance. More than 2,000 localized dimming zones allow the display to control brightness across different areas of the screen with far greater precision than conventional LED backlit panels. This helps produce deeper blacks and stronger contrast, especially in HDR content where bright highlights appear next to dark scenes. Despite its performance-oriented design, the laptop also places considerable emphasis on aesthetics and personalization. The customizable Anime Vision lid display provides a distinctive way to personalize the exterior of the machine. Users can configure animations or visual effects to give the laptop a unique appearance, which can be particularly appealing in gaming environments or enthusiast setups. A 360-degree surround RGB light bar adds another visual element, creating a more dramatic appearance when the system is being used in a gaming or entertainment environment. However, flashy lighting is not always appropriate. For users taking the laptop into an office, classroom, meeting, or professional environment, the ability to activate stealth mode is extremely useful. It allows the system to adopt a more understated appearance when required. This flexibility gives the laptop two distinct personalities: a visually aggressive gaming machine when users want that aesthetic, and a more professional-looking workstation when discretion is preferred. Another practical feature is the tool-free access mechanism on the bottom chassis. Internal upgradability is often overlooked when manufacturers design ultra-thin premium laptops, but it can be extremely valuable over the long term. Having convenient access to the internal components makes it easier for experienced users to upgrade memory or storage without needing to hunt for specialized tools. This can extend the useful life of the laptop because users are not necessarily locked into the original configuration forever. As software becomes more demanding, additional memory or storage can help the machine remain practical for years. The dedicated MUX switch is another feature that serious gamers will appreciate. A MUX switch allows the system to control how the discrete GPU communicates with the laptop's display. In performance-focused scenarios, directing frames through the dedicated graphics processor can reduce certain bottlenecks and maximize gaming performance. Battery life is naturally one area where users should maintain realistic expectations. A laptop equipped with a flagship class processor, powerful discrete GPU, mini LED display, and high refresh rate panel consumes considerably more power than a basic productivity notebook. Although intelligent graphics switching can improve efficiency during lighter workloads, Users should not expect Ultrabook-style battery endurance when running demanding applications or games. This machine is fundamentally designed around performance, and its physical size and powerful components reflect that priority. Portability is another compromise worth considering. While it is technically portable and can be carried between locations, its substantial chassis, powerful cooling system, and high-performance hardware make it considerably less convenient than a thin and light laptop. Casual travelers who primarily need a machine for web browsing, email, documents, and streaming may find its size and weight excessive. On the other hand, professionals who actually need this level of performance may consider the additional bulk a reasonable trade-off. Carrying one powerful machine can be far more convenient than carrying both a lightweight laptop and a separate desktop workstation.
For creators, the overall hardware package is particularly compelling. Video editors can take advantage of the powerful CPU and RTX graphics processor for accelerated editing and rendering. 3D artists can benefit from the GPU's rendering capabilities and substantial memory capacity. Photographers gain access to a high-quality, wide-gamut display that can reproduce detailed and vibrant imagery. Developers and engineers can run demanding software environments while maintaining multiple applications simultaneously. The machine is therefore not limited to one type of user. Gamers, meanwhile, receive an especially strong combination of performance features. The RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU provides the graphics horsepower required for modern games, while the 240Hz display is perfectly suited to fast-paced competitive titles. The Mux Switch and Advanced Optimus add further flexibility, allowing users to prioritize gaming performance when connected to power and efficiency when working away from an outlet. The cooling system also becomes particularly important during long gaming sessions, helping the hardware maintain consistent performance.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.